Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Khadas Mind Graphics Dock featuring NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti GPU. So friend, Khadas has unveiled its latest graphics dock under the Mind lineup featuring an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti GPU as I told. And friend, it has not generally made much studied in the market, but companies recently unveiled Mind Mini PC gained traction in the media. The firm's Mind lineup takes the modular PC experience to the next level with a portable workstation on board. It has not generally made much stride in market, but the company's recently unveiled Mind Mini PC gained traction in the media. The firm's Mind lineup takes the modular PC experience to the next level with a portable workstation on board, a dedicated graphics dock, and port hub. While Khadas revealed the Mind as a concept a while back, it seems like the company has started implementing its plan and now unveiling the final design. So friends, starting with the specification, it features a desktop variant of NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4060 Ti GPU on board, featuring an elegant black and grey design to provide a sleek and futuristic look. You have one USB Type-C with Thunderbolt full support, one USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 1 connectivity option. Regarding display output, you get two HDMI 2.1A, one DisplayPort 1.4A, which is decent because graphics docks are generally not meant to go hardcore with display connectivity. And Mind Graphics Dock is an excellent addition to Khadas ecosystem of modular computing. And friend, powering the modular computing setup is Khadas Mind Mini PC as described earlier. And friend, the Mini PC features Intel's Core i7 1360p on board, 32 GB of LPDDR5 memory, and 2 M.2 slot with both PCIe Gen4 and Gen3 support. The device also comes with a standby battery rated at 5.5 kW to provide users with seamless power connection in case of allowing users portability, and it puts the device into sleep mode. The feature is pretty practical and selling point for the Khadas Mini PC, although the product did not get the attention from the market that should have. And friend, in terms of pricing, it retails for $799 across major US retailers, and friend, it is going for $899. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.